Welcome back to How to Crypto. Today, we're diving into one of the most crucial events in the world of cryptocurrency, the Bitcoin halving. But first, let's understand what the Bitcoin halving actually is. The Bitcoin halving is a process that occurs approximately every 4 years, designed to reduce the rate at which new Bitcoins are created. This happens by halving the rewards miners receive for validating transactions on the Bitcoin network. Now you might be wondering, why does this matter? Well, let's rewind a bit. The first Bitcoin halving occurred in 2012, followed by the second in 2016, and the most recent one in 2020. Each halving event has had a significant impact on the Bitcoin ecosystem. Following the previous halvings, we've witnessed remarkable increases in the value of Bitcoin. For example, after the 2012 halving, the price of Bitcoin surged from around $12 to over $1,000 within a year. Similarly, following the 2016 halving, Bitcoin's price skyrocketed from approximately $650 to almost $20,000 in late 2017. Now, let's talk about the most recent halving in 2020. In the months leading up to the halving, Bitcoin's price experienced a steady increase. However, immediately after the halving, there was a slight dip in price, followed by a period of consolidation. The next halving is scheduled to occur on the evening of April 19, 2024. During this event, the block reward will drop from 6.25 coins to 3.125, further reducing the rate of Bitcoin creation. It's important to note that the total supply of Bitcoin is capped at 21 million coins, and approximately 19 million coins have already been minted. This means that only around 2 million Bitcoin are left to be created. While some investors may have expected an immediate surge in price post-halving, it's essential to remember that the effects of the halving are not always immediate. They often unfold over time, as seen in previous halving cycles. Furthermore, despite the challenges such as increased market volatility and potential reduction in mining profitability, the halving reinforces Bitcoin's scarcity, which can have a positive impact on its long-term value. In conclusion, the Bitcoin halving is a pivotal event that shapes the trajectory of the cryptocurrency market. While it introduces challenges for miners and investors, it also underscores Bitcoin's position as a store of value similar to digital gold. And that's a wrap on today's video. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency. Until next time, happy hodling!